So guys, here are my products and setup stuff. Like I said, I am not a professional. I am not promoting anything that I'm displaying right now. I am just showing you what I'm gonna do. Like I said, I've done braids on other people before. I've never done boho braids on people before, but done braids on people before. Never done boho braids at all. So this is the first time I'm doing it. I did wanted to get it done, uh, but girl, them prices is too much for me. So I is going to do it on myself. In any case, this is the setup. I went through stuff. So I got my mirror, the three-way mirror. This is gonna be my behind mirror. Yes, I'm in my bathroom because this is where my shop is gonna be right now once I'm ready to go. And I'm not trying to disturb my husband because he works hard, so I'm just trying to give him his space. So I'm gonna be in the bathroom. This is here my shop for the next 2 days or so. I found this really cool. Yes, it's a sewing thready thing. That's what I see people do. So I got that on sale. I got me some clips so when I finish blowing out my hair, I could divide it and clip it. This is actually, once I wash my hair, I am gonna leave in some leave-in conditioner just lightly, just to protect my own hair. I got a couple of combs, really like this one. It's really sturdy, very pointy. Then I got a brush one, and then this just in case I need an extra, you never know. This is for when it's done. When I finish my braid, I'm supposed to spray it, they said. So I don't want to do all the moussing business, so I'm gonna just spray it. Hopefully that works. I did buy 2 types of gel because I do like the way how this smells, but this is more healthier. This one is more healthier than neat braid. So this one's gonna be more towards my scalp, towards my ends, and this is gonna be for the rest while I braid. The in-betweens and the end of the hair with the fake hair and all that stuff. So this is all my jazz. Let's see how it goes. I'm excited, but at the same time my brain is like, Lord Jesus, I gotta do all this. Pero you know what? It's gonna be done my way, and I know how to braid, so like I said, gonna see how this goes. So yeah, guys, gonna see how it goes. Look, I don't want to comb this. I don't want to comb my hair. I look like a wild child, but it's okay. Gonna do these braids, and I'll show you once I blow it out. Cause you see the shrinkage? Don't let it lie to you. Look. I have to blow all of this out. Anyway, remember the Lord. He loves us.